In the rapidly evolving landscape of financial technology, ensuring the reliability and security of fintech apps is paramount. So, how do you effectively test fintech apps to ensure they meet the highest standards? It starts with rigorous functional testing, where every feature and function of the app is thoroughly examined for accuracy and reliability. Security testing is also crucial, as fintech apps handle sensitive financial data. Testers must identify and address potential security risks to protect user information. Performance testing ensures that the app performs optimally, even under heavy user load or fluctuating network conditions. And finally, user acceptance testing allows real users to provide feedback on the app's usability, functionality, and overall experience. By implementing these testing methodologies, fintech companies can ensure that their apps deliver a seamless and secure experience for users, empowering them to manage their finances with confidence.